Outdoor timber surfaces add warmth and beauty to outdoor settings. Over time, these outdoor areas develop a surface buildup of dirt, grease, and grime and require cleaning. CUTEK Quickclean is a powerful, general-purpose outdoor cleaner that easily removes dirt, grease, and grime, and is the perfect way to clean your outdoor timber. For a maintenance coat of CUTEK Extreme CD50 and CUTEK Wood Preservative. What you will need: a bucket, brush, broom, roller or lambswool applicator, and a pressure washer. Before applying, CUTEK Quickclean should be diluted. Dilution can vary depending on the type of surface being cleaned and the buildup of dirt and grease on the substrate. Always pre-test prior to making a full mixture to determine if the dilution being used is effective in cleaning a specific surface. Safety and precautions. Before you begin, it is important to check the hazards and precautions and ensure that you've obtained and know how to use the correct safety equipment. Also ensure you adequately protect adjacent surfaces and vegetation. Application. Dilute the CUTEK Quickclean concentrate with water as determined by your test patch. Thoroughly wet your substrate and apply CUTEK Quickclean dilution liberally with a brush, roller, lambswool applicator or broom. CUTEK Quickclean is a powerful cleaner, so let it do the work. Leave it on the surface for 5 to 15 minutes depending on the severity of the surface buildup. It may be necessary to scrub stubborn stains moderately with a stiff fibre brush. Removal. Once CUTEK Quickclean has cleaned the substrate, it must be rinsed off thoroughly. The best result is power rinse methodically with a high pressure washer. Caution must be used when cleaning soft timber. You may need to adjust your pressure washing technique to avoid damage to the wood fibre. Clean from the highest point and work down methodically using long, even strokes in the direction of the grain. For situations where strong water washing is not practical, wash off with clean water from a bucket or a garden hose using a light scrubbing action with a stiff brush. Protect with CUTEK. Now that your timber surface is clean, it is ready for a maintenance coat of CUTEK Extreme CD50. Prior to applying your chosen CUTEK oil, ensure that your timber is completely dry. Not treating your timber after cleaning will result in a quick weathering process. CUTEK Quickclean will not remove paint or wood coatings or rejuvenate weathered or stained timber. Remove paint and wood coatings with CUTEK Wood Stripper and make weathered timber appear new with CUTEK Restore. For other hints, tips and tricks how to use CUTEK Repair and Protect products, visit the CUTEK website.